Hi, it's Linda Jane Green, and I'm just touring you around the perimeters of the Banbury Hot Springs. I'm on a dirt road. I found some horses and some cows, and they're watering some big boulders. This is the entrance into the hot springs in Buhl. They have another sister company, Miracle Springs, and I guess it's down the road and around the corner, not too far away. I don't know if I'll go exploring that or not. Well, I kayaked for 2 hours, and then I took a shower and ate some dinner and thought I'd go for a walk and explore the area. I did see some horses when I had come in earlier, so I thought, well, maybe I could go find them. I'm having a good time. I know it's just a quick overnight, but it sure makes a difference to get a change of scenery and go exploring somewhere new and find out, something different to do. I'm in a cabin and found out I have my own bathroom that's with the cabin, so that's convenient. It has a shower and all that in it, and I took pictures of that. I don't know how interested you are in bathrooms, and I also took pictures of the interior of the cabin. I'm in cabin number 1. I don't even see other cabins. And I also saw yurts, but I think the other cabins and the other yurts are at the Miracle Springs sister company and not here, right here on this particular property. But I'm having a good time. I really like kayaking, and I think the Snake River is my favorite out of all the rivers I've kayaked on. And I've never been to Buhl before. This is just down the road from Hagerman, where I stayed at the Huggery and kayaked on the Snake River there. I'm walking out here. This is their front entrance. This is River Road. There's a glare on the phone, so I don't know if I can... oh, I guess they're looking at me, so I have to go this direction. There it is. There's the sign. Banbury Road. So this is the entrance. Let me turn the camera around. Banbury Road and River Road. And there's still a glare on the phone, so I can't really see what I'm showing you too well, but it's out in the middle of farmland. Just gorgeous out here. I love horses. I love being outdoors. Kayaking, water. I'm always looking for a lake or a river or some body of water. I guess I'll walk back. That's the entrance though, and they're closed on Sundays. So just a quiet, peaceful time. Here comes the vehicle. Oh, that was a couple of vehicles that passed and kicked up gravel and heading out. It's a fairly busy place. It's not really that big, but it's pretty busy. there's the, I guess that's the work around. We just walked to the front entrance, and now we've walked past the pool entrance and the hot springs, and it's a cute little place. I really liked it when I was at the Huggery in Hagerman. And that's an Airbnb, and that's on the Snake River, and you can kayak there. This is my first time to be here at this Banbury park, RV park, campsite, hot springs, kayaking, everything that you would ever want. And that's the cabin I'm in. So well, I toured around and walked, and I'm gonna go sit down for a little bit. I just wanted to share with you that I'm out here having some quiet time, some peaceful time, and at the cabin. And there's a couple chairs. If I wanted to sit on them, I could. It's really pretty here, so if you ever wanted to go camping in Buhl, there's hot springs, swimming pools with hot springs, the Snake River, kayaking, tents and RV sites, and horses in the neighbors' yards. Have a good night. I'm going in.